Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are defeating Shadow Boss with a bunch of these guys. Ooh.
Yo!
Alright.
Hunter, can I get a scanner?
Sure. I got you.
You guys!
Any Iron Man suits, more Iron Man suits coming up.
Who wants the mining tool?
More Iron Man suits.
It's not fair. Iron Man suits. Iron Man suits a mining tool.
Here.
Yes, that's a mining tool.
Here.
That's a mining. We have a mining tool. We already have a mining tool.
Scan the shoulders, scan the shoulders.
I need an Iron Man suit. Mine good.
Just meet at Sandbox. I don't know about if I can get anyone else Iron Man suits because, oh my god, that's some D1 lag. That's some D1 lag when you enter mines with the Iron Man suit.
I know how to.
Alright, let's go. We're at Sandbox right now.
My Iron Man suit is making me go down. It's not making me go.
Wait, who doesn't have a
Whenever I put my hand up, it makes me go backwards.
That way, when we try to go this way.
Everyone be quiet, everyone be quiet, everyone be quiet, everyone be quiet.
Be
Guys,
quiet.
does anybody hear the Shadow Boss?
No! What? No.
If you hear it, go in that direction.
Wait, guys, stop moving! I'm not able to hear it!
Over here?
Let me try to hear it! Let me try to hear it!
Nah, I think it's over here. I think it's over here.
Let me try to hear it! It has to be. Okay, yeah, wait.
It's impossible.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, it's over here, I hear it.
Alright, so we hit the
I can hear it from a mile away.
Oh my god, we're getting jumped.
Yeah, stop that.
Just keep moving, just keep moving.
Over here. My mining tool will do it. Just keep mining. Okay, will I still get the cosmetic? Absolutely nothing. Because I can't really do anything. Yes, you'll still get the cosmetic. My mining tool.
Alright, this is
on the Wii. Wait, guys, stop mining. I need to hear it.
What's my headset back?
It's this way, it's this way. I hear it, it's this way.
It's this way.
Yes!
Oh, I got it. Oh, let's go.
This is for the people that don't have Shadow Boss.
Mining tool and a grappler. All I need is the mining tool and a grappler.
Just get it from the crate.
Yes, I'm still gonna get the cosmetic, but
Don't worry, we'll get it for you.
hide or something.
Nah, oh, no, listen. I have an advice for you. Open crates, try to get weapons, and then fire.
Okay. I think
Alright, ready?
the crates until you actually looted a lot.
Guys, I'm gonna shoot at the middle. Ready?
No, don't.
It opened on its own.
I got a lightsaber.
We didn't even shoot at it. It just started coming.
I got a lightsaber.
Alright.
God, that's hard.
Oh yeah, get it.
Alright.
Get it.
Alright, guys, we're down a player. Max have to go. Can I even leave the call? No, I can't. Never mind.
I need a hook shot. I need to get one.
In the head, Iron Man. Iron Man suits. Get in the head. Keep shooting. The storm's closing in.
Oh, we did it.
Get crates.
Hurry, someone's dead.
2 shotguns. I got 2 shotguns.
Come on. Let's go. Oh, go. Mine.
I run out. Shoot!
Oh my goodness! I think I'm dead.
You can't die! We need you!
Kill it!
Get its knees! Get its knees!
Go, run! It's almost dead! It's almost dead!
We can't laser.
Oh my goodness! It's dead!
Oh, that's not good fun.
We're doing damage!
There's fire! It's about to die. It's stuck in the floor. It's stuck in the floor.
It's almost dead! It's so close to being dead! Get him! Almost dead! I'm low.
Keep him still. Hold him still. Hold him still. Anyone have a revolver? I got revolver ammo.
There's revolvers all around here. Look behind you, there's a revolver. Behind you, there's a futuristic revolver right over here, look. Yeah, it's right there. It's right there.
Why is there extra
that-
pieces
that
of
light right
armor everywhere? No! No, it's stuck to my hair!
I'm coming in.
Please!
Just revive and respond to where we came from. Just revive. Yes, it does.
Just let me be. Okay? Do what you want to do.
I got hit. I'm very low. I'm like 1 hit.
I saved you.
Thank you.
We did not defeat him, bro.
No, we didn't.
Just a little bit more.
Did not defeat him, by the way.
Defeat this guy.
I'm on him.
This guy sucks. I want his head as mine.
We killed him.
Yes, we defeated it.
Lasers. Wait.
Oh my god, I got
Anyone need laser? Anyone want a laser?
Nope.
I want a laser.